Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. And here in this session, we are going to discuss top 10 most important multiple choice questions for list data structures in Python. It might be useful for your GATE data science and AI exam and for placement interviews and anywhere you are learning Python list data structures. So let's begin. The very first question is what will be the output of the following code block? And here it is code block you can see. So basically a list is given to us and after that we are having a print statement and this print statement is printing list like this, right? Two columns are there thereafter two. It simply means that we need to skip every second number, every second number starting from 0th index onwards. So 1 will be printed, thereafter 2 will be skipped, 3 will be printed, 4 will be skipped, 5 will be printed, 6 will be skipped, 7 will be printed, and 8th will be skipped. So the answer would be option A, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, as you can see here, right? The question number 2 is what will be the output of the following code snippet? So here again one more Python code snippet is given and this list is given. This time what we are doing, we are writing the list like that. The list name double colon inside the list and 2. It means that we need to do something at every second element. Means we need to do something at every second element starting from 0th element. Means second element is this, next second element is this, thereafter this, then this. So you can see if I am going to I am assigning something here, assignment operator is there, means I will assign 10 on the place of 2, I will assign 20 on the place of 4, I will assign 30 on the place of 6, I will assign 40 on the place of 48, and I will assign, I cannot assign this 60 anywhere because the list ended, right? That is why option A is the correct answer. That value error attempt to assign sequence of size 6 to extend slice of size 5, because I want to assign something after skipping the second element, but in slicing I am having only size 5 here, and here I am having sequence of size 6 which I am want to assign, but so value error will be there. Okay, so option A is the correct answer for this. Okay, question number 3. What will be the output of the following code snippet? And if you can see here, very easy question it is. -1 means we need to start looking on the list from backside onwards, right? And 3 and 0, it means that it will start writing from third index. So if it is writing like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's write the index. Index of 1 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are our indexing of this particular list, right? Now starting from third index onwards, from previous. So it will write 4 first, thereafter it will write 3, thereafter it will write 2. So the answer will be 4, comma 3, comma 2. But it will not write the element which existed at index 0, because if at right place whatever we have, we skip it. So let's say if we are having 1 comma 1 colon 3, it means that one element index 1 will be printed, index 2 will be printed, but this index 3 will not be printed. So if we are having 1 colon n, then it will only run from 1 to n minus 1th index, right? So 4, 3, 2. That is option B is the correct answer of this question. Next question, question number 4 is what will be the output of the following code snippet? Again, a Python code is given. So we are having a function f value and values. Initially, we are having v whose value is 1, values 0. We are having a list whose name is values. And at 0th position, we are starting 44. Means on the first position, it is having 44. This is a local variable here. T equal to 3. So one more variable here, t whose value is 3. And v list is there whose name is 1, 2, 3. We are calling the function ft comma v. So the value of t is 3 comma v is 1. We are calling this function. So it is not going to 3 comma 1, right? So f. On the place of value, right, what we are doing 3, right? And on the place of values, we are doing what? 1. So basically, if you can see that, this function will be called like that. And after that, what we are doing? Print t v0. So obviously, the value of t is not going to be altered anyhow, and v0 is not going to be altered anyhow. So the value of t is what? 3. 3 will be printed as it is. And v0, at v0, we are having 44. So 3 and 44. That is, option C is the correct answer for it. Question number 4 we have discussed, right? Question number 5. What is the correct command to shuffle the following list? So basically, if we want to shuffle any list in Python, we need to use the random module for it. And after that, we need to use shuffle method, random dot shuffle. And in the parameter, we need to pass here the name of list name, right? So here you can see the list name is fruit. So random dot shuffle and the list name as a parameter. So option C is the correct answer here. Okay. Question number 6. What will be the output of the following code snippet? So here, if you can see the following code, then this is a kind of three-dimensional array and whose size is 2 into 2 into 2. That is total 8 elements are there. And out of this is our first row. This is our second row, right? Now we are running this loop for row in M. That is, I am running this particular loop row by row, and initially v is what? M00. That is the first value. So initially v is 1. And what we are doing in each element of the row, if we are comparing, if v is less than element, so currently v is 1. What is element? Element is also 1. So 1 is less than 1. No, it is false. So v equal to element. By default, v is 1. It is not going to be modified. Thereafter, it will run to 0, 1. That is, the next element will be 2. This time, v, what is v? 1 is less than element. What is element? 2. 1 is less than 2. Yes, it is true. So if it is true, v equal to element. V is modified and the correct value of v is 2 now. After that, if you will see, it will be here. So next time, what will be compared here? V less than element. What is v? 2. What is element? Element value is 3. 2 less than 3. Yes. So v equal to element. Again, the value of v will be updated and it is 3 now. Thereafter, v will be here. And what we are comparing, if v is less than element, what is v? 3. 3 less than element. What is element? 4. 3 less than 4. Yes, it is true. Again, v equal to element will be updated. So v equal to 4. And we have just iterated our complete row because it is a 3D array. So it's just like this. All the rows we have, uh, all these 4 columns, this, and this all have been done. So currently, the v is going to hold 4. And what we are writing? Function data 0. So particularly what we are returning in v, whatever we will return into v, it is going to give it. So v is going to return 4. So option D is the correct answer here. Next, what will be the output of the following code snippet? So you can see a two-dimensional array is given for I in range 0, 4, print array I dot pop. So basically, pop method is there for the deletion part, and basically pop method also return which element we are deleting from the array. And if we are not passing any parameter inside the pop function, then by default it is going to write the last element of that 1D array, because here we are only using one rectangle bracket. So last element of this, last element of this, last element of this, and last element of this. That is 4, 7, 11, 15. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 8. What will be the output of the following code snippet? Again, the code is given. Definition, function f I values equal to initially 0, values dot append. Append is an insertion function at last. Print values and return values. So first we are calling f1. Values not modified, but it is append. So initially we are having 1. Now F2, 2 is called, but initially values is having 1. What values is having? Already having 1. It is not got modified, but 2 is going to append. So it would be modified as that. After that F3. So already values 1 to have 1, 2, and 3 is going to append from here. Right? Now all the three function finished. Print values. So first 1 will be printed, thereafter 1 comma 2 will be printed, after that 1 comma 2 comma 3 will be printed. And again we are returning values. So what is the final value? 1, 2, 3. Again 1 comma 2 comma 3 will be printed. This will be the output. So here I need to add 1 comma 2 comma 3 also. So this is the correct answer here, option C. Question number 9, what will be the output of the following code? So basically here you can see original array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are running the for loop I in range 1 to 6. That is, it will start from 1 to 6. That is 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. It will run 5 time only, right? So array I minus 1. Array I minus 1 means initially the value of I is 1 here. So if array I minus 1, array I minus 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So what we are doing, we are assigning array 0 equal to what? Array I. So what is array I? It is array 1. So what is at 1? At 1 we are having 2. We are assigning this value 2 to whom? At 0 index. So in final list, 2 will be there in the 0th index. After that, I will be increased. I is 2. So if I is 2, what I am doing? Array I minus 1. So array I minus 1 means array 2 minus 1. That is array 1. What I am assigning? Array I is 2. So I am assigning array 2 means whatever 2 is having. So 2 is having what? Array 2 is 3. So I am assigning 3 value to first index. Ultimately, I am assigning 2 to here, 3 to here. Similarly, 4 will be here, 5 will be here, 6 will be here. And then for loop will be ended. But after that, this 6 will remain as it is. I am not altering it. So the final output would be option D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay. Next question, last 10. What will be the output of the following code snippet? Here is a Python code. You can see list 1, apple, berry, cherry, papaya. Fruit list 2 equal to fruit list 1. So basically what we are doing here, it is working as that list 1 we are assigning as a referencing, means to list 2 we are assigning list 1, but it is working as a referencing, means if I am going to modify anything in list 2, it will modify into list 1 also, because list 1 is referencing to list 2 now. Fruit list 3 equal to fruit list 1 in colon, means only the values have been copied here. So currently, if you can see, I can write fruit list 1, all the values I like: apple, berry, cherry, papaya. And fruit list 2, apple, berry, cherry, papaya. And fruit list 3, that is only copying, that is apple, berry, cherry, papaya. Just assume, right? It would be in likewise that, right? Now, fruit list 2, 0 equal to guava, means in the second list, 0th index, that is this part, I am updating it with guava. So if I am updating the here it with guava, here also it will be updated with guava because it is referencing. So both are guava now. And here fruit list 3, 1 equal to kiwi. So third list, and here first indexing, that is this berry, it is updated with new fruit, that is kiwi. So here it is kiwi now. Okay. Now initially the sum is 0. What we are doing, we are putting all the list in the for loop parameter, and for list in all the list we need to check list 0, that is in list 1. It means that currently we are talking about this list, first list. In this first list, 0th element is guava. Yes. So sum equal to sum plus 1. Initially sum is 0. So sum equal to sum plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. In the same list, list 1 equal to kiwi. No, here it is not kiwi. It is berry. So it is not going to work. Okay. Now coming to fruit list 2. List 0 is guava. Here also 0th element is guava. Yes. So sum equal to sum plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 now. Okay. In the same list, list 2, some list 1 equal to kiwi. So first element, first index element is kiwi here. No, it is not kiwi. It is berry. So not going to update the sum. And next, fruit list 3. So you can see, check here in fruit list 3, list 0 is guava. 0th element is guava here. No, it is apple. So sum is sum plus 1, not happened here. And list 1 is kiwi. So in this particular list 3, first index element is kiwi fruit. Yes, it is kiwi fruit. So sum equal to sum plus 20. Sum is 2. 2 plus 20 is 22. Finally, print the sum. Final answer is 22. Option A is the correct answer. So I hope all these 10 questions on list data structure using Python language is going to be very, very useful for all of you. Do subscribe the channel, follow all the links which is mentioned in the description section, and stay tuned for more such important lectures and sessions on your competitive exam preparation. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.